Another beautiful Land Rover Discovery, new generation. This car's a 71, so it's only 6 months old, 8,000 miles. R-Dynamic, so you've got all that beautiful styling. The car is a colour called Lantau Bronze, which is a new generation colour. I think it looks stunning. R-Dynamic gives you that styling, all the black exterior styling. The car's got contrasting black roof rails, 3 litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower. Popular because of the size, the comfort and the 7 seats. The other great thing as well, and I said it at the start, it's the new generation car, so all the new Land Rover products are getting the navigation, what's in this car. It's got these new beautiful star lights, black badging, grille, bumpers, the front splitters, black arches all the way around, gloss black wheels, mud flaps. You've got the R-Dynamic skirt along the side there, privacy glass, R-Dynamic around the back arches. And like I said, the car's done 8,000 miles, 2.5 years Land Rover warranty, 2.5 years Land Rover Assist. It's priced on the money like our cars are, so it'll be priced to sell. Inside, I think this makes it as well. So you've got the colour on the outside, which is that beautiful bronze with a black styling, but then you've got this two-tone interior. So we've got heated seats, electric seats, larger 13.1 inch screen in the centre. This car's also got a sliding panoramic sunroof. That is a key option. People think a glass sunroof on a four-wheel drive like this, a lot of them have got glass roofs, but they're not sliding, so they're fixed. And that is a real big extra that's been paid for. So there's 3 buttons here. There's a blind for the front, blind for the rear. I've just opened the main blind there. And then if we press it again, sliding sunroof opens. Great feature. You've then got all, you know, your features that come standard. So we've got a digital dash here. We've got automatic lights. We've got automatic wipers, cruise control. The camera system in the new Discovery is superb. So you've got full surround. Look at this, all the way. Surround, top view and 3D camera. You've then got all your digital climate control and all your new navigation, all your air suspension options as well. Push and pull, this is part of the new digital climate control. So to push it in, you've got your heated seats, and then to pull, you've got your blowers and everything to adjust there. The big screen in the middle is a biggie. I think it just makes it look really up to date inside. The car, condition wise, as you would expect, is beautiful. It's done 8,000 miles. And then let me show you space wise. So in the back, you've got bags and bags of space, all the little charging points in the back. It's got all the original Land Rover mats. And from the outside as well, I haven't spoke about it, but the wheels have been done in gloss black, and I just think with the colour and the side steps and the contrasting with the R-Dynamic, it all makes it really look well. Electric tailgate, and then this is why people love a Discovery. I'm just going to drop this down. This is electronic. You've got your parcel shelf to go back in, but then you've got these extra 2 seats. So at the moment, they're up. They are full-size seats with the seat belts and everything, but if you want to drop them, you just release like that, and then you've got that huge load space, massive boot. Them seats even drop if you need even extra space. Great, great, great feature, and that is why Discoveries are so popular. Drive really, really well. Fuel economy is sensible on this new 250 engine. Colour's great, the interior is beautiful, and it's an R-Dynamic. It's going live on our website now. Thank you for watching.